Yes, if you are looking to get Galaxy S22 Ultra, then think again, because we are getting some of the big updates in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And you guys might be surprised to see that Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra could be the first Android phone to beat an iPhone's in raw performance. But there are a couple of updates which will give you a better user experience. The first big update we might see on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is its cameras, the mighty 200 megapixel main shooter, which will eventually Samsung's own HP2 sensor, which will bring a lot of improvements but lacking one major feature that we all wanted. But begin with, the new 200 megapixel shooter will give you a new better dynamic range and low light performance better than its predecessor, and lacking the feature of shooting at 50 megapixel. You guys will only get two options. Either you need to go with the 12.5 megapixel for less storage options, or just go with the 200 megapixel, which will eventually eat up your storage space. But not only a single main sensor getting an update, but a telephoto sensor is also getting an update. Yes, same 10 megapixel, but it will come with the sensor shift stabilization. So get ready for some stable telephoto shots on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Although you don't need a 50 megapixel option to subscribe to this channel. Okay, I'm just kidding. Why not subscribe it? The only reason why you should consider getting a new Galaxy S23 Ultra is its processor, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, because it is way powerful than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and even better than A16 Bionic chipset, at least in benchmarks. The only thing we are concerned about, the Samsung didn't come out and officially talk about Snapdragon Gen 2 only processor in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So still, there are chances we might see an Exynos 2300 in European markets. Let's hope for the good, because Exynos 2300 is not up to the mark when it was compared with the Snapdragon Gen 2. If Samsung still go for the Exynos, then it will be one of the biggest mistakes from Samsung for the next year Galaxy S23 Ultra. The internals are also getting an update, the first time UFS 4.0 in Galaxy device, which will be twice as fast as the UFS 3.1, and also some rumors are pointing towards LPDDR5 RAM, which is also an update over the last year. But don't expect a big design change. Instead, you guys will get a slightly thicker bezels and slightly rounded edges, and potentially a small change in camera housing which is not even noticeable. The battery is not getting an update, same 5000 mAh, but we might see a better optimization which will help Galaxy S23 Ultra last longer than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And also, according to 3C certification, we are going to get a 25-watt fast charger option in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, less than last year 45-watt. Samsung is on its way to release the Galaxy S23 Ultra ahead of its time, and potentially release date of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is January, a month earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you want to see how Galaxy S23 Ultra will beat iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you guys should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.